Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to download ClickUp into your Android device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to download ClickUp into your Android, just simply open the Play Store application at first, and after opening the Play Store application, just simply search for ClickUp into here. Then after searching ClickUp, this ClickUp productivity platform application will appear. You just simply have to open the application and tap into this install button. Now, depending on your Wi-Fi connection or the internet speed, your ClickUp application will successfully be downloaded into your Android device. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update from the channel. Thank you for watching the video.